Salam and good evening to you, worthy friend. Please, please, come closer. A little too close. Too close. There. Welcome to Aqaba, city of mystery, enchantment, and the finest merchandise this side of the River Jordan on sale today. Come on down. Ooh, look at this. Combination hookah and coffee maker. Also makes julienne fries. Will not break. Will not. It broke. Ooh, look at this. I have never seen one of these intact before. This is the famous Dead Sea Tupperware. Listen. Still good. Wait! Don't go! I see you are only interested in the exceptionally rare. Well, then I think you would be most rewarded to consider this. Do not be fooled by its commonplace appearance. Like so many things, it is not what is outside, but what is on the inside that counts. This is no ordinary lamp. It once changed the course of a young man's life. A young man who, like this lamp, was more than what he seemed. A diamond in the rough. Perhaps you would like to hear the tale? Oh no, I couldn't tell you. I just couldn't. But, if you insist, it happened on a dark night.
That's okay, keep going.
A dark man waits with a dark purpose.
Is that it? Is that all?
Yes.
That's awesome.